Now we're going to measure our border. So I have my instructions here, and according to my instructions, I need a 2-inch border all the way around. So I like to write 2 to 2.5 is at the bottom. That creates a little visual depth and weight. It also creates a place to put our name tag. You'll need a ruler. Now you could use just a straight edge ruler, or you could use one of the T rulers. I'm going to show you how to use each one. I'm going to start off with a traditional straight edge ruler. And I'm going to measure 2 inches in. So I'm measuring in here, setting my ruler along the side and just right at the 2. Now to make sure it's straight, I just can't measure one dot because it may, I don't have anything to measure it against. So you really need to measure 2 dots. And I'm lining up, making sure that it's straight. And I made another mark there. So now we can come in, line those 2 up, and come across and make a line. With the T ruler, let me move this back just a little bit. I can come in, and this is nice because I have the T alongside here, making sure things are straight. So I actually only need to put 1 mark. I'm going to turn it, and because this is making sure that my ruler is straight, I can just slide it up to my 2-inch mark and draw that line in. I like to use a Sharpie marker for this segment. It just shows up a little bit better. Again, I'm going to make a 2-inch mark, turn it, slide it up to where I made my mark. Now, if you do get a little crooked, the mat cutter will actually straighten you out. And here we have a 2.5 inch. Now, the last step of this, the 2.5 goes down towards the bottom. I'm going to grab my piece of artwork and I'm going to set it on top. Now, some students get really worried because they see that the lines, you can't see any of the lines, and they think that you need to be able to see these lines. However, if you saw the lines, that means that your artwork is going to fall out. Because we can't see the lines, that means that the artwork is actually going to be behind the mat board, the mat, the border, which will hold the artwork in place. So our next step then is to cut this window out to help frame our artwork.